Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Term 1, Week 5. For Day 1, it is all about matter and change. Objectives: define chemical reaction, reactants, products, chemical equation, skeleton equation, chemical change, physical change, and activation energy. Explain how reactants are rearranged to form products during a chemical reaction using simple real-life examples and equations. And number 3, appreciate the importance of recognizing chemical reactions in making safe and informed decisions in daily life. Okay, let us answer these questions. The process in which atoms of one or more substances are rearranged to form new substances. Okay, that is chemical reaction. The substances present before a chemical reaction begins. Reactants. The new substances formed after a chemical reaction. O kapag after, that is products. A scientific representation of a reaction using words, formulas, and symbol. Okay, chemical equation. An equation that shows the formulas of reactants and products but may not yet show equal numbers of atoms on both sides. Okay, that is skeleton equation. A change in which at least one new substance is produced. Okay, chemical change. A change in form, size, shape, or state without producing a new substance. Okay, that is physical change. The minimum amount of energy needed to begin a chemical reaction. Okay, that is activation energy. The symbol in a chemical equation that means produces or forms. Okay, ito yung arrow sign going to the right, yung direction niya. Ito yung nagsiseparate po ng ng reactants and then products. A reddish brown substance formed when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture. Okay, that is iron oxide or rust. Okay, the forgotten bicycle. Marco left his bicycle beside their house during several rainy days. After 1 week, he noticed that some parts of the bicycle chain and handlebar were no longer shiny. Instead, reddish-brown patches had appeared. When he tried to clean them, he noticed that the surface had become rough. His elder sister explained that the iron parts of the bicycle had reacted with oxygen in the air and moisture from the rain. She wrote the following word equation: iron plus oxygen resulting to iron oxide. Marco wondered why the bicycle no longer looked the same and why the change could not easily be reversed. For guide questions, what observable change happened to the bicycle? Ayan. It becomes reddish brown. Rough patches appeared on the iron parts of the bicycle. Okay, what were the reactants involved in the reaction? So, ang reactants po doon is the iron and then the oxygen and moisture or water. What product was formed? Okay, iron oxide or rust. Why is the formation of rust considered a chemical change? It is a chemical change because a new substance, rust, formed with properties different from iron. So, nagkaroon ng panibagong substance. Kaya nagkaroon ng pagbabago. In the word equation, what does the arrow represent? The arrow means produces or forms. Give one practical way Marco could help prevent further rusting of his bicycle. Okay, Marco may keep the bicycle dry, apply paint or protective coating, oil the chain, or store it under a roof. Matter and change. Matter is present in objects, food, air, water, plants, metals, and the human body. Matter may change in different ways. Some changes only affect its appearance or state, while other changes result in entirely new substance. Examples of changes involving matter include ice melting into water, paper being cut into smaller pieces, fruits turning brown after being sliced, iron developing rust, wood burning into ash, food being digested inside the body. Okay, what is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process in which atoms of one or more substances are rearranged to form new substances. The substances that are present before the reaction begins are called reactants. The substances formed after the reaction are called products. Okay, the general form, reactants resulting to products, yung nasa kanan, products. Example, iron plus oxygen, ito yung mga reactants. And then yung arrow is the resulting to or producing iron oxide. Okay, part of the reaction, we have reactants, the iron and oxygen. Product, iron oxide or rust. Yung nasa kanan ang tinatawag na product, kanan ng arrow. At yung nasa kaliwa po, yun yung reactants. Okay, the rust form has a different color, texture, and property compared with the original iron. This indicates that a chemical reaction has taken place. Okay, chemical reaction and change. A chemical reaction refers to the rearrangement of atoms during the process. A chemical change refers to the observable result when a new substance is formed. Example, burning wood. When the wood burns, it reacts with oxygen. Observable results includes ash formation, smoke production, release of gases, release of the heat, production of light. Since the original wood changes into different substances, burning wood is a chemical change. A chemical equation is used to represent what happens during a chemical reaction. Okay, we have parts, ayan, reactants, starting substances in the left side of the arrow. Arrow produces or forms in the middle, or this, ito yung naghahati doon or nagsiseparate sa reactants and products. And then products, new substances form. This is at the right side of the arrow. Example, hydrogen plus oxygen resulting to water. Yung water ang product. Hydrogen and oxygen are reactants. Or skeleton equation, ito. Pag sinabi po natin skeleton equation, hindi pa siya balance. So, a skeleton equation identifies the reactants and products through chemical formulas. It may still need to be balanced to show that atoms are conserved during the reaction. Okay, conservation of matter. During a chemical reaction, atoms are not created or destroyed. They are only rearranged. For example, when hydrogen and oxygen form water, the hydrogen and oxygen atoms are still present in the product. They are simply rearranged or arranged differently. This idea is connected to the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter is conserved during a chemical reaction. So, what is activation energy? Some reactions do not begin immediately, even when reactants are already present. A small amount of starting energy may be required. This energy is called activation energy. Example, lighting a match. Ang activation energy po dun is the friction caused by striking the match. Using a gas stove, o spark or flame that ignites the gas. Burning paper, it requires heat from a flame. Another, digestion of food. The activation energy involved is the enzymes help reactions occur efficiently. Activation energy acts like a starting push that allows a reaction to begin. Okay, conclusion. Chemical reactions happen when reactants are rearranged to produce new substances called products. These reactions may be represented through word equations or skeleton equations. A chemical change is observed when a substance develops new properties that are different from its original form. Understanding chemical reactions helps explain familiar events such as rusting, burning, digestion, and food preparation. Okay, let us answer these assessment questions. Which statement best describes a chemical reaction? Okay, atoms are... Okay, what are the new substances formed? What are the new substances formed during a chemical reaction called? Okay, what are the new substances formed during a chemical reaction called? Okay, that is products. Number 4, which of the following is an example of a chemical change? Chemical change, okay, rusting of an iron gate. In the equation iron plus oxygen resulting to iron oxide, what is the product? Okay, the product is iron oxide. What does the arrow in a chemical equation mean? Okay, produces. Which equation is a skeleton equation for the formation of water? Pag sinabing skeleton po, hindi pa siya balance. So, alin dyan? For water. Specifically for water. Okay, that is letter B. Why is burning wood considered a chemical change? So, the wood becomes smaller. Alin sagot? Okay, the wood can easily return to its original form. Okay, ang pinakasagot dyan, new substances such as ash and gases are formed. What is activation energy? Okay, the minimum energy needed to start a reaction. Which statement is connected with the law of conservation of mass? Okay. Atoms are rearranged but not created or destroyed. Okay, for exit ticket, recall everything you can you can from today? Ano yung mga naalala nyo sa lesson? Rearrange to form new substances.